What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. I'm going to be showing you guys some live trading, but right before we get into that, I'd really appreciate if you guys could like and subscribe. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thank you guys so much for that. So, well, let's get into it. The stock I'm planning to trade is TQQQ. I'm planning to sell it because it hit the resistance. You can't really tell it from this chart. But when I was looking at the charts for SPY, which is a direct correlation for TQQQ, where's SPY? Is it on my watch list? Yeah, it's right here. So you can see that, at least for the last spike ahead, whenever it hit the spot at around 266, right here, 266, when it hit it, it fell back down, it gapped down overnight. So what we want to do here is we see that it hit the resistance right here, and it's down here. I'm pretty sure it would bounce up a little bit more, because here, as you can see, it hit it, it fell down, it bounced up, it fell down, it bounced up, it fell down, it bounced up. A lot of stuff happened, but I just want to be safe, take the gains and just leave, because I just want to lock in my profits and not like hold it and make sure I get every penny out of it, you know? So that's why I'm planning to sell my TQQQ shares right here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to sell all of them just to get rid of it. I'm going to set a limit order, so once it hits the price that I desire, it's going to sell it. So I'm pretty sure it would spike up more, but alright, so let's say we'll do $44 and maybe 2 cents. Sell. Alright. 3 shares at, I don't want to be greedy though, but yeah, it's right here, $44.02. It fell down by 1 cent right now. Whatever. It's going to hit that price, and it's going to sell my shares of TQQQ. So my portfolio is going to be left completely empty because I sold off like all my stocks now. And tomorrow, I'll see whatever stocks I'm looking at, but I'm starting to get interested into penny stocks, and that may be pretty cool. But first, I want to try trading penny stocks with the simulation trading, so I don't lose real money on them because I'm not really experienced with them. So I'm going to continue swing trading on Robinhood, but I'm going to try some penny stocks out on my own. And that's basically it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate if you guys could like the video and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day.